Ready to unleash the full potential of your millionaire mind? Today, we're going to break all the rules and uncover the deepest secrets that will lead you straight to wealth. This is the video that will change your perspective on money forever. Are you ready to transform your financial life? Then join me on this journey to success. Let me introduce you to a hidden treasure, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. This book is like a compass that will guide you through the financial maze towards freedom and abundance. But did you know there are secrets within secrets? Today, we'll unveil them all together. Imagine your mind is a garden. What seeds are you planting? Are they seeds of abundance or scarcity? Therein lies the first great secret, your mindset. How you think about money determines your financial destiny. What are you cultivating in your mental garden? Think about it. Your mindset is the fertile ground where your finances grow. Cultivate thoughts of abundance and watch opportunities flourish. Conversely, sowing seeds of scarcity will only bring more limitations into your life. Now, let's talk about rules. Who said we must always follow the established rules? It's time to challenge the status quo. But how do you do it? The answer lies in innovation and creativity. Think outside the box, and you'll find paths to wealth that no one else has explored. Breaking the rules doesn't mean acting irresponsibly, but rather questioning the status quo and seeking new ways to achieve your financial goals. True innovation arises when you dare to challenge the conventional and explore the unknown. Time for an example. Imagine Steve Jobs. Did he follow the conventional rules of how a tech company was supposed to be? Of course not. He defied all norms and built an empire with Apple. How's that for inspiring you to think differently? Steve Jobs not only changed the tech industry but also challenged common beliefs about business success. His innovative approach and courage to break the rules propelled him to the top of the business world. Now, a question for you. How many times have you held back from fear of breaking the established rules? Remember, great fortunes are built by challenging the status quo. Are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? What rules are you willing to challenge on your path to wealth? But wait, there's more. Did you know that the real secret to wealth doesn't lie in what you do, but in who you are? That's right, the key is to become the person who can attract abundance. How do you achieve that? Join me. Wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about developing skills, attitudes, and habits that make you a magnet for prosperity. Real change begins from within. Now, a personal tip that will change your financial game: invest in yourself. Financial education and personal development are the most powerful tools you possess. Don't skimp on investing time and resources in your personal growth. Remember, the greatest asset you have is yourself. Invest in your education, your personal development, and your mindset. That investment will yield the highest dividends in the long run. One of the fundamental principles taught in this book is the power of gratitude. Did you know that gratitude is the magnet that attracts more blessings into your life? It's simple. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more things to be grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful tool that connects you with the universe's abundance. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Now, let's talk about the concept of wealth mindset. What does it really mean to be rich? For many, wealth goes beyond money. It's about having freedom, time, and resources to live the life you desire. Are you building a wealth mindset? The wealth mindset is much more than accumulating money. It's about cultivating an attitude of abundance in all areas of your life: financial, emotional, spiritual, and social. When you adopt a wealth mindset, you open yourself to endless possibilities for growth and success. But how do we develop this wealth mindset? Here's where another key concept comes into play: self-responsibility. You must acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your financial life and that you have the power to change your situation at any time. Self-responsibility is the first step towards personal and financial transformation. When you stop blaming others or circumstances for your financial problems and take control of your destiny, you begin to create the life you desire. An inspiring example of self-responsibility is the legendary entrepreneur Richard Branson. Did you know he started his business empire from scratch, facing numerous failures along the way? But he never gave up. What can we learn from his story? Richard Branson is a living testament to how self-responsibility and perseverance can take us to great heights. Through his determination and courage to face challenges, he built a global empire with Virgin Group. Now, the million-dollar question: are you willing to take self-responsibility for your financial life? Remember, every decision you make either brings you closer to or farther from your goals. What are you choosing today? What actions can you take right now to take self-responsibility for your financial situation? Before we conclude, let me share with you one last piece of advice from the book The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Act as if you're already rich. Visualize your financial goals as if they were already a reality. This not only motivates you, but also helps you attract wealth into your life. The key to manifesting wealth lies in believing that you're already worthy of it. Act, think, and speak as if you're already rich, and you'll see how the universe conspires in your favor to make your dreams come true. And there you have it, friends. The secrets revealed to break the rules and achieve wealth. Now, it's up to you to take action and apply these lessons in your life. Remember, your potential is limitless. See you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring together the fascinating world of finance. Until then, may abundance always be with you.